If Photoshop is giving you error 6, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. Error 6 is usually linked to permission issues, blocked license folders, or security software interfering with Adobe files. The good news is that most people can solve it without reinstalling Photoshop, and in many cases, the main fix is just adjusting folder permissions. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into the first and most important method. First, completely close Photoshop if it is already open. You want to make sure the program is not running in the background before you change anything. Then, open File Explorer on your computer. In the address bar, go to /program files x86 /common files /Adobe. Inside this Adobe folder, look for the folders named SLStore and SLCache. These folders are often connected to Adobe licensing and permission problems, and if Photoshop cannot read or write to them properly, error 6 can appear. Now let's fix the permissions. Right-click on the SLCache folder, then choose Properties. From there, click the Security tab and then click Edit. A new window will open showing the users and permission settings. Select Users from the list. Once it is highlighted, look at the permissions below and enable Full Control, Modify, and Write there. If the boxes are not already checked, tick them now. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If you also see the SLStore folder, you can repeat the same process there as well. Right-click it, open Properties, go to Security, click Edit, select Users, and make sure the correct permissions are enabled. This is the main fix in most cases because Photoshop needs access to these Adobe folders to launch correctly. If the permissions are too restricted, it can trigger the error 6 message and prevent the software from opening. Next, if Photoshop still is not opening properly, try running it as an administrator. Right-click the Photoshop shortcut or the Photoshop executable and then click Run as administrator. This gives Photoshop elevated access and can help bypass permission-related issues for that session. If Photoshop opens successfully this way, it is a strong sign that the error is being caused by file access restrictions on your system. Another thing you can check is the read-only attribute on the same Adobe folders. Go back to SLStore and SLCache, right-click each one and open Properties. On the General tab, look for the Read-Only option and uncheck it if it is enabled. Then click Apply and OK. This is a simple step, but sometimes Windows marks folders in a way that blocks Adobe from updating the files it needs. Removing read-only status can help restore normal access. Now here is another common cause of Photoshop error 6. Antivirus software. Some antivirus programs can temporarily block Adobe license folders or treat them as suspicious even when they are safe. If you have tried the earlier fixes and Photoshop still will not launch, try disabling your antivirus temporarily. Turn it off for just a moment, then open Photoshop and see if it starts properly. If it works, you can turn the antivirus back on right after testing. This is only meant as a short-term troubleshooting step, not something you should leave off permanently. So to quickly recap, the best order to fix Photoshop error 6 is: first, repair the SLStore and SLCache permissions. Second, run Photoshop as administrator. Third, remove the read-only attribute. And fourth, temporarily disable antivirus if needed. In most cases, the first method solves the issue by itself, especially when the problem is caused by restricted folder access. If this video helped you fix Photoshop error 6, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and easy software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.